Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm using the Ooni Karu to make a wood-fired pizza. So let's go and start the fire. So I made my pizza. I'm now going to check on the oven, which I've kind of just left for a bit as I made my pizza. And oh, in the center there it's far too hot. 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and in the center it's 8. Have I been giving out all the wrong numbers? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's come down really quick. Okay, I need to just put more flames in the back here, because otherwise there's going to be no flame cooked pizza. It's flaming up more. Okay, so I'm going to cook again with the door off. I know it's not the recommended thing to do, which is to cook with the door on for the airflow and everything. I like to see it cook. I'm going to just see now if it's heated the stone up. Let's have a look. Yes, look at that. That is 127 in the middle, which in Fahrenheit is 750. Okay, let's get this pizza in. When your base is cooking too hot, I've made the mistake again. I've made the base, the stone, too hot. I forgot that this stone, for some reason, cooks the pizza hotter on a lower temperature. And so I've made the error of putting it to 430. So now I have to lift my pizza up off the stone as I cook it to get the flame cook on the crusts here. So there is a way around it if you don't want your base to cook and burn any more than you already have, just by lifting it up into the flame and sorting your cook out that way. It's not ideal, but it is a hack to avoid wasting your dough and your toppings. Why is this stone so hot compared to my other ovens, which are Ooni stones? Don't get it. Is it because it's thicker? I'd be interested to know in the comments below. hopefully I've saved the base of my pizza. I think it's done now. Done. Give that bit a try. Pepperoni and mushroom. I've had a few requests to make this one. Lovely taste. Gave a good base cook in the end, only because I had to lift it. It's a good thing if you need to save your pizza. If you've got like another pizza stone that you use from another Ooni oven, please let me know in the comments below if you think this one's hotter, because I think this one is. As a comparison between like the Ooni Karu stone and this stone, completely different. I need to cook on a much lower temperature on this stone in the middle. I'd say about 400 degrees. I'm going to do it next time. Otherwise I'll be lifting my pizza up every time I cook. Let me try that base. Try that piece. Having the mushroom and the pepperoni and the juices of the pepperoni going into the mushroom, going into the cheese. Oh my gosh, this is a lovely pizza taste. Especially if you give the mushrooms a little fry in garlic before you put them on the pizza. I must remember to keep my oven lower with that stone. We'll do that next time. It's not fun keeping your pizza lifted as you cook it. And that's another thing, if you put the door on when you cook with a wood-fired pizza oven like the Ooni Karu, you might get caught out by the base cook, which means that, you know, your pizza's going to be ruined. So having the door on gives you more control. You can lift your pizza up when the stone is too hot. Just saves the day. And yeah, so that's my tip for this oven. Keep the temperature lower, 400, 410. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.